Can't believe that was only a few minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep the talking simple in this one, but hello everybody. If you have any questions about the in-depth stuff, make sure you read the comments. Appreciate everyone listening, following, subscribing. Hey, I really am trying on the requests, so if you think there's something that sounds interesting to you and you think I could do it, if you've been following my videos and maybe my style would work, send me a comment. If nothing else, at least I'll try it. I really love recording these videos for you, everybody, and appreciate all the followers and the likes and the subscribes. This has been an absolute blast to make these videos, I will say that. Sorry for the loudness. Oh. The sneezing does feel rather forceful tonight. Oh gosh. I fear I might get interrupted though. Sorry guys, I think I'm going to cut this video short for now. I will try maybe for part 2 or more of it later. Thank you again for following. Have a good evening.